Hi guys, in this video we're gonna see what are lists in Python. So a list is a data structure in which we can store multiple values in one variable. Lists are denoted by square brackets, so we can define a list A is equal to square brackets and any kind of data type we want, for example a number, a string, or a float. So if we print the list, we should get all these data types. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, hello in a quote and 3.4. So now if we only want one value from the list, we can say print a square brackets and the index. Index means the value at which the data type is stored. So for example, if we type 0, we will get 1. If we type 1, we will get 2. If we type 3, we will get hello. So let's try that. As you can see, I got 1. So that means at the index value 0, the first data type is stored in the list. So now if I say 3, I get 3.4. If I type 2, I should get hello. Now if we want to add another data, so we can type a dot append, and then in the brackets we can say orange. So if I run the command and then again print a, so if we run the command, as you can see, the string orange was added in the list. Now if we want to remove an item, we can type a dot remove and the item, for example 2, and print a. So as you can see that 2 has been removed from the list.